This is Punky, my dog, and he's a big runner and he's a big athlete, as you can see from his body type. And so he needs massage as well. So, come on, Punky, you're supposed to cooperate. So again, as I showed you as a large dog, right in here, and you can see it's very easy to see it on Punky because his hips start right here. This is the area you want to gently massage. You want to gently massage his legs. See those big muscles? And here, very gently. Again, you pick it up with two hands. Punky, Punky, Punky. The other dogs are obedient. Here's what you do with this size dog. You can do it with one hand. I'm supporting that knee. My hand is on my thumb is on the tip of the femur, which is the hip socket. On the other side, only do one side at a time. The other side. It's okay. Okay, let's do the neck stretch. There you go. That's it. Now, Punky really needs that stretch because he wears a head tilty harness. So he needs that stretch a couple of times a week at least. And then there's a technique that's called twin walk, where you pick up his skin, and this is the perfect dog to exhibit it at. You pick up his skin a little bit at a time, and you just twirl it in your fingers very gently. And this type of gentle massage all over his body will be helpful to him. And remember, we looked at how to stretch his feet and massaging his feet. And you can see his feet right here, his little toes all together. And you've got to do each individual toe. His feet get as tired as your feet. You bend his ankle, his wrist. His elbow always needs to be supported. And you stretch him a little bit. And stretch him back. Do the other side. And because he's a little dog, you could do it with one hand and hold him with the other. Here I am again. Bending his wrist, massaging his little toes, and you can see the way his toes are, which you can't always see on a dog with a lot of coat. They're actually very much like our own fingers. So when you massage them, you really want to take every little joint and just be very gentle, because their feet start to hurt. And don't just do the front feet, you got to do the back feet. these things I'm going to do that I do part of my treatment. This is just a little bit of an adjustment because Punky ran very hard this morning. He chased some very big dogs around the park. That's it. You can put your clothes back on. The massage is over.